Draw the following. Here we are on last exercise 4.5, chapter 4th, mathematics class 8th, chapter name practical geometry, question number 1st. We need to construct a square whose name should be READ with RE equals to 5.1 centimeter. So we have studied in this exercise 4.5 that there are special cases where single piece of information will be helpful in order to construct the actual figure. So using the properties of square, we know a square has all internal angles equal to 90 degrees and each line segment measures equal in distance, which has been provided to us as 5.1 centimeter. Using this concept, we shall be able to construct our figure correctly. So the step number 0, which we call as rough sketch, goes like this. We simply construct a square looking figure and mark down its vertices as READ. So READ, our approach is anti-clockwise. You may have clockwise approach, that depends on your preferences, and each of the line segment as 5.1 centimeter. So that was a rough sketch. Pause it and try to construct yourself. In step number 1st, we simply construct the base of this square RE with the help of ruler and pencil, mark down as 5.10 centimeter with actual measurement from ruler. Pause it and try to construct yourself. Step number 2nd is simple. We need to construct 90 degrees at vertices R and E. So at R, we took a distance, that is, we adjusted our compasses at a distance of 2 centimeter because it is proportionate to 5.1 centimeter. We have told you numerous times in previous tutorials why we consider 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter. After adjusting our compasses at a distance of 2 centimeter, we will put our needle of compasses at vertex R and construct this arc such that it must intersect line segment RE. Wherever it intersects, now we will put our needle at that place without changing the dimension of compasses. We try to intersect this previously constructed arc like this. Again, we put our needle at this new intersected point and again try to construct previously constructed arc like this. That completes a 60 degrees. Now we need to bisect this 60 degrees, that is this particular angle, in 2 equal halves of 30 each. So we put our needle over here and construct this arc. Again we put our needle over here and construct this arc such that it must bisect this arc. So wherever it bisects, that is both these arcs intersect, that will be our 90 degrees, and we mark it down with the help of dotted lines because it is not our actual measurement. This is just a ray that we got that denotes 90 degrees. Pause it and try to construct this 90 degrees at vertex R yourself. The same process has to be done at vertex E. We will put our needle over here and construct this arc such that it must intersect line segment RE. Wherever it intersects, put the needle over here and intersect previously drawn arc like this. Now put the needle over here, construct another 60 degrees like this. Now we need to bisect this 60 degrees in 30 each. So we put our needle over here and just construct this arc. This is just an elongation of this previously constructed arc. Now we put our needle over here and try to intersect this arc like this. With this, the point, we have 90 degrees in our place. So we mark it down with the help of dotted lines again. That gives us 90 degrees. Again, pause it and try to construct yourself. Now, in step number 3rd, we need to denote these vertices D and A on vertices R and E respectively. Since 5.1 centimeter is the constant line segment dimension on all the 4 sides, so we will readjust the compasses at a distance of 5.1 centimeter, put our needle at R and try to intersect this previously constructed dotted lines, or dotted ray in this case, because it does not have an endpoint. So we did like this and we marked it down as 5.1 centimeter and put our vertex as D. Now we need not to change the dimension of our compasses that was set to 5.1 centimeter. Put the needle at E and try to intersect the line segment, or the ray in this case again, that we previously drawn in step number 2 at vertex E and jot down its measurement as 5.10 cm or 5.1 cm, the same thing. Again, pause it and try to construct step number 3 by yourself. In step number 4, it is just a matter to connect vertex D with A using a ruler. And if you have constructed all the previous 3 parts correctly, then this dimension on the ruler must show 5.1 cm. If it is not the case with you, that means either you have constructed 90 degrees incorrectly or you haven't taken this distance of 5.1 cm correctly. Again, pause it and try to construct step number 4 by yourself. In the final step, we tidy up our construction by jotting down all the internal angles equals to 90 degrees and measurement of each line segment as 5.1 cm, followed with all the vertices, that is READ, READ in anti-clockwise manner. With this, our question number 1st of exercise 4.5, chapter 4th, mathematics class 8th, practical geometry has been solved.